Hey everybody, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, autoramaauto.com. Let me show you this beautiful truck. If you want everyone to think you got a new truck, this is the one. Wow, this thing is nice. Ruby red, stone accent, 6.7 liter power stroke, 4x4. The Coopers are deep. We just changed the oil. One owner, no accidents, clear Carfax. 71,000 miles, heated and cooled seats, power seats, navigation, B&O audio, remote starter, locking rear differential. It's got the turnover ball in it, 6.5 foot box, has the box camera. Remember, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees. The truck is stock. We're going to buy you a 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty. That's good nationwide. You can upgrade that. You can use it at any licensed mechanic shop for the most part. Gosh, this truck is nice. You can tell it was somebody's pride and joy, and it can be yours. It's so hard to find these diesels that haven't been tuned, deleted, all that stuff. I prefer them stock the way they rolled off the factory, like this one. Just look at that ruby red exterior, camel interior, chrome package on it. It's got the BLIS safety system. Yeah, Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota, autoramaauto.com.